Double, double, toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble. Fillet of a fenny snake in the cauldron boil and bake. Eye of newt and toe of frog, wool of bat and tongue of dog. Adder's fork and blindworm's sting, lizard's leg and howlet's wing. For a charm of powerful trouble, like a hell broth boil and bubble.
Can you tell me what the basic meter is? Here's a hint for how to find out. Read it aloud, clapping your hands where it seems natural to do so. The places where you clap will be strong syllables. Find out how many of those there are and then see if you can divide the line into feet. Double, double, toil and trouble. Dum-de-dum-de-dum-de-dum-de. Strong, weak, 4 times. And there are some variations. Notably, most of the lines lack the weak syllable at the end. It's an incomplete foot. There should be an extra weak syllable there, but there isn't. The technical way to talk about an incomplete foot is to say that it is catalectic. But it isn't a term you're going to come across very often. Most people will just say there's a missing weak syllable at the end of the line. There's another variation in line 9, for a charm of powerful trouble. There seems to be an extra weak syllable in there. There are 2 ways we can explain this. One way is to scan it as I have done here with the extra syllable. But we could also consider it as a form of elision. That is, we could read powerful as powerful, missing out the weak syllable in the middle. But a discussion of metre, like any other technical feature of poetry, is never complete without some mention of the effect of that technique. Talking about a poetic technique without any discussion of how it helps to create the tone and atmosphere of the poem is a bit like describing a knife and fork without saying that they're used for eating food, or describing someone as having 12 pints of blood, 5 meters of intestine, a heart weighing 300 grams, etc., without mentioning that person's character or personality. In this case, we have a list of ingredients. These are the things that are in the cauldron. A list of items could easily end up being completely boring. Imagine a shopping list or a list of ingredients for a cake recipe. By making the list into a chant, Shakespeare makes the list interesting. On the stage, of course, we would see the witches, but the Elizabethan theatre used very little scenery or props, so the words fleshed out the scene. And of course, the stress pattern combines with other features such as rhyme and alliteration to make the chant as powerful as the magic charm it describes. But that's another story. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe, get notifications, and if you want and are able to give practical support, join as a channel member.